You wanna know a secret?
Hey, you could be my teacher. You could be my boss.
Okay guys, enough dancing. Let's get this going. It's one less post you have to think of. Plus, it's always fun and exciting for the clients and ourselves as marketers to put a post up that already has engagement. It is so easy. I am in Business Manager right here on Facebook. All I'm going to do is click right here on Business Tools, the little dots right there in the corner. I'm going to scroll all the way down to Page Post. Guys, it's towards the bottom. Click that button. My computer's going a little slow. I already have it open here. And then I'm going to click on Ads. And then I check mark the one I want to post. And then all you're going to do is hit Actions, Publish. Are you sure you want to publish? Of course I'm sure. There we go. It's that easy. Hit that subscribe button, guys. I have a ton of more value I'm going to start dropping. Make sure to come over and connect with me on Facebook, Beyond the Click Media.